Children, we are once again back with another class of English for class 10th. I am Mahendra Kumar, faculty of Monitor Z School for English and Accounts, PGT. Okay, so we are with the second chapter from your course book, Footprints Without Feet, chapter 2, class 10, and the name of the chapter is The Thief Story. Okay, this is a story written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond has written many stories. He has written very good stories like Tiger in the Tunnel and The Thief Story. These stories are very touching, and he has written such stories which have reformed the society, which stories which are inspiration for the people of the society. Okay, so before getting in depth of the story, I'm going to give you the brief summary of the story, what the story is all about. Okay, the summary is the small boy who was actually a thief. He was 15 years old. Okay, and he called himself Hari Singh. Okay, every month he changed his name so that he should not be caught by the police or he might not be suspected. So he befriends a struggling writer, Anil. Anil was a struggling writer. Okay, Hari's purpose is to steal Anil's money. Hari was purpose, yani main objective was to steal. He was actually a thief, a small petty thief, but he was very good at his art. He was very good at learning the faces, reading the faces. He thought that Anil was a simple guy and he would solve his purpose and he would easily rob him. Okay, Anil is a good fellow. Okay, Anil is a good fellow who wants to teach Hari Singh how to read and write. Now you can just see on one part Hari Singh, or we don't know what his real name was, he was trying to rob Anil, and on the other hand Anil was trying to do something good for Hari Singh because he was just a teenager and Anil was 8 years old. Okay, so gradually Anil develops trust in Hari Singh, and slowly and gradually Anil started trusting Hari Singh. So he was going over there. He sees Hari Singh in one of the wrestling match, and he starts following Hari Singh. Hari Singh starts following Anil. So Anil, he said that you are looking like a wrestler. He starts to flatter Anil that you are looking like a wrestler. So Anil also jokingly tells him that I am not looking like a wrestler, but I think you are looking like a wrestler. Okay. So Hari Singh has been waiting for the right moment. So he tells him that I want to work for you. So Anil says that, but I can't pay you. Then Hari Singh thinks that he has chosen the wrong person to rob because Anil himself is a poor person. Then after thinking for a moment, he tells Anil that, can you feed me? Can you feed me? So Anil tells him that if you can cook, I can feed you. अगर तुम खाना बना सकते हो मैं तुम्हें खिला सकता हूँ. तो Hari Singh lied that he can cook and he goes home with Anil. So at home he cooks a dinner and Anil gets very angry because he threw away the food to the dogs and even the dogs refuse to eat that food, and he tells Hari Singh to get lost from his house, get out from his house. So Hari Singh gives a fake smile, and in response Anil also starts smiling. So Anil said, okay, theek hai, don't worry, I'll teach you cook. So he was a very kind hearted person. As we've already written, point number 2, is a good fellow, and he said that apart from teaching you cooking, I will also teach you how to read and write, and further I'm going to teach you how to make whole sentences. So gradually Anil develops a trust. So Anil has given the key of his room in the hands of Hari Singh. He develops a trust, but Hari Singh has been waiting for the right moment to make living by doing what he is best at. So he was best at stealing. He was making his living by petty robbery, robbing this person, that person, and living lavishly for a few days, and then after again he finds another victim to rob. After stealing the money which Anil had earned money by selling a book to a publisher, because he was a writer. I have already told you that he was a writer. So Anil earned some money from somewhere. It was
600 rupees and in 50s, यानी 50-50 की कितने नोट होंगे? 12। तब जाके अनिल के पास 600 रुपए थे। तो अनिल के पास जो उसकी जो थी एक पैकेट था नोट का, वो ले गया। एंड अनिल वॉज स्लीपिंग एंड ही केप्ट दैट पैकेट अंडर हिज मैट्रेस, अपनी चटाई के नीचे रख के वो सो जाता है। अनिल उसके पैसे ले जाता है एंड ही वॉज थिंकिंग हिमसेल्फ वेरी स्मार्ट and he thinks that he is going to definitely go to the station and he will definitely get 10:30 mail train to Lucknow, and he was thinking himself to be very smart. But some inner voice of Hari Singh stopped him from boarding the train. He was sitting there on the bench. The train has already started moving, but the train was slowly moving, and it was easy for Hari Singh to catch the train. But what happened? Some inner voice, कुछ अंतरात्मा की आवाज, some inner voice stops him from doing so. He returns to Anil because he realizes that he wants to live a life of respect. So here we see, children, that by punishing somebody, by shouting at somebody, by treating somebody, or by making the person realize that you are the wrong person, and you cannot ever in your life move on the correct path, एक इंसान को बार बार ये रियलाइज कराना उसको सही नहीं कर सकता. Some concern for somebody, some love and respect towards somebody can also make a person move on a right path. ठीक है? So he realized that he wants to do a little. So what happens then? Hari returns back, and when he was returning back, it started drizzling. He had already kept the packet of notes in the string. He is tied with the string of his pajamas next to his waist, and it started drizzling, and after some time it starts raining heavily. So the Anil was totally drenched, पूरा भीग गया था वो जब वो घर लौटा. अब since he has no friend in that city and he usually don't have any friends, so there was only one place where he can go back, and that was Anil's room. So he comes back to the Anil's room. Now what happened? Robbing the money was easy for him, but it was very dreadful and बड़ा खतरनाक था. It was very dangerous for him to keep the money back under the mattress. So he thought, he took the risk and he kept the money under that mattress on which Anil was sleeping. So Anil does not show. What happened now? The notes were already damp, already wet because of the rain. Next morning Anil got up, and Hari Singh also got up. Hari Singh got up late because he was already late at the night. Anil has already prepared the tea. So Anil served him the tea, and along with it he gave him 150 rupee note. Anil was also thinking in his mind that if he would not have robbed, Hari Singh was thinking, if he would not have robbed Anil, definitely Anil would have given him 2-3 rupees to go and watch cinema and all. है ना? So what happened? He gave him the 50 rupees note, to which Anil took the note and he smiled back. And Anil also smiled back, Hari Singh also smiled back to him. But Anil did not show that he knows about the theft and accept Hari Singh with open arms. उसने बिल्कुल जाहिर नहीं होने दिया कि मुझे तेरी चोरी के बारे में पता है, क्योंकि नोट भीगे हुए थे, और जब अनिल वो नोट लेकर आया था तो वो सूखे थे. तो अनिल समझ चुका था कि ये लड़का चोर है, लेकिन still he never told him or scolded him or made him realize that you are a robber. Thus, a well-intentioned person tries to reform a teenager. Okay? Now, teenager youth is the future of the nation, every nation. And when the youth is moving astray on a wrong path, and it is very dangerous, not only for the youth, but for the nation. So it is our moral responsibility that if we find anybody doing certain things, we should make them realize that this is wrong, and we should treat them with love and respect. Okay, children, I hope you must have understood the story, and now you have to open the NCERT folder from your internet and do the question answer in your file notebooks. Okay, thank you, children, and be good, safe and sound. Thank you.